At Find and Food, we're transforming the way brands create and deliver food products through our comprehensive private label, OEM, and ODM services. Whether you're an established retailer or a rising startup, we provide end-to-end solutions to bring your brand to life, faster and better than ever before. Creating a successful food product begins with great taste. Our expert R&D team works closely with you to develop custom recipes that align with your brand's vision. From nutritional analysis to sourcing high-quality ingredients, we ensure your products not only taste exceptional, but also meet all health and regulatory standards. At Find and Food, our state-of-the-art facilities are capable of producing a wide range of food products, everything from artisanal goods to large-scale orders. At Find in Food, quality control is our top priority, ensuring each product meets the highest industry certifications, including ISO, HACCP, FDA, and more. Packaging is the face of your brand. Our design experts collaborate with you to create custom packaging that not only protects but enhances your product's appeal. Choose from a wide range of sustainable and eco-friendly packaging options, all while maintaining your brand's unique identity with our private labeling services. With Find in Food, you don't just get a product, you get seamless logistics support. From warehousing and inventory management to global distribution, we ensure your products reach your customers efficiently and on time, no matter where they are in the world. Find in Food's global brand strategy and execution prioritizes strategic planning and execution to help brands succeed on a global scale. Through our global sourcing capabilities, we provide access to the finest ingredients, ensuring cost efficiency and premium quality to drive brand growth. Compliance is not just a requirement, it's the foundation of trust in global markets. Our dedicated team ensures that every aspect of your product, from packaging and labeling to certifications, meets stringent local and international standards. Whether it's securing organic, non-GMO, or allergen-free certifications, we help your products stand out. Beyond certifications, we offer full legal services, including global trademark registration and management of local customs regulations, ensuring your brand's smooth entry into new markets. With our support, your food products will not only meet quality expectations, but also navigate complex legal landscapes with ease. In the ever-evolving food industry, innovation is essential. At Find in Food, we continuously monitor market trends to offer you cutting-edge solutions that keep your brand competitive. From trend analysis to product line expansion, we help you stay ahead of consumer demands. From product development to final delivery, Find in Food is your trusted partner in private labeling. No matter your market segment, we provide the expertise and resources to turn your brand's vision into a reality. Let's create something great together. Find in Food, your partner in private label success.